I think the one that they're referring to is the VST patch. And there's probably a link here. Yep. Those are just bugs. But somewhere there's attached patch. I saw it when I first looked at this thread. I think Paul mentioned it. And he said, I built, yeah. A patched version is writing. Okay, let's look at that. That's where the patch should be, right? Logically speaking. Is this our source or their source? WXXQ looks like their source. So where's the patch? The patch. Okay. Yeah, so this bug fixes that patch. That might be the only patch then. Alright, so with that being said, let us patch. So going back to this directory, let's tar-xvf that thing. There we go. Hopefully I have enough disk space. This one is, yeah, it's going to be enough. 60 gig hard drive, six years old now. Still does the job, man. Okay, so the configure is going to be a little tricky here. Let me see if I have, I don't have a .configs. Can't remember where I saved it. Let me think about that. Might be in my stickies. So my stickies have lots of notes. This one is FFmpeg. These are all FFmpeg. Oh, here's my WX one. Yeah, these are WX. No, these are... Yeah, these are WX. So let's take one of these. We want the release, which is that one. Yeah. And then we'll make one called release DMG WX. So we want disabled, shared, enable universal bind. Yeah, this one is pretty good. Yeah, this will do the trick. Actually, we might have to do that thing that they say on the WX page. Cross-compiling equals yes. You have to manually add it in. Okay, we can do that. Are we building for PPC 6? No, we're not. We're not doing that. We're just doing... We just want these two. Ah, okay, so if you do it for just OSX Cocoa, I wonder if the OSX Cocoa part is necessary. Easy way to check easy way to check is to go into WX and do file on the shared library. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. No, I'm just going to be building it, because why not? We can check it later. We can check it while we're doing it and we can cancel. That's the beauty of using a build directory. Or even if you don't, you can just do make clean. Make dir build cd, make dir my build, cd my build. Run that. Yep, go. So this is going to take quite a while. I might sleep while this happens. And while that didn't go. Shit. Are you kidding? I guess we have to use the newer SDK. We'd like to be able to support old ones though. I believe the new one should be backwards compatible. It probably says the problem here though. No. No, it doesn't say. Let's see if that error pops up. SDK. Oops. Yeah, so we'll need that. If you want to target previous versions, ooh, I wish somebody posted the I think 10.4 is what we're supporting, but I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm gonna do search for that. And one of those. And also I didn't patch yet, so it'll be very bad. Okay, so there was a solution at the end. They just used maybe they didn't have the same solution, same problem. But Leland uses a script to build OS 10. That looks good to me. We can just take some of these. No, we can take a lot of them. I'm surprised there's not that minimum. Yeah, so it says that here the min is max is 10.4. I'm pretty sure I have 10.4 somewhere though. Let me do a search for it. find/developer and -name star.sdk. It might be capital SDK. Getting sleepy now. Can I really not have 10.4? I'm on... Well, we have the iPhone thingamabobs. There's 10.4. There it is. So what's wrong with that? Why didn't it find that? Let's see. Where was it searching? It was searching there. Curious. Yeah, so we can add these. It's SDKS now. Ah, for some reason there's an S in there. Not sure why, but yeah, unfortunately I have a 10.4 PPC, so it's perfect to test against. Yeah, so that's going to be with Mac OS SDKs. We'll take this guy. Yeah, I'm starting to feel gnarly. Today was a busy day. It should be 10.4. Yep. Then we want to put that somewhere around there. Like such. Okay, so that looks good now. That looks good to me. Leland's other things might be good to have. I'm not sure what these are, but they seem like they make sense. These 4. I don't think I have those 4. Might have had them a while ago. Yeah, just put them in. Why not? Okay. Let's change this to the same format. Whatever. It's not... I'm feeling sick and hungry right now. It's not a good feeling. If I get this building though, I can walk away. So, because this will take literally an hour to build. So what I can do now is patch -p0, and we'll take Audacity Mac wxmac additions wxmac. Yeah, it's an interesting name. Okay, looks like we need dash